So our question is, we need to calculate the volume of a pyramid. Volume of a pyramid, right? So there it is. It tells me that the volume of a pyramid is calculated by, what's the formula? Formula for a pyramid. Okay, let's go and look for maths formulas and pick it up from there. Maths formula, there we go. Maths formula, grade 12, right? So we're doing grade 12 maths formulas. Let's find out where's this formula for the volume of a pyramid. Oh, data sheet. Yes, the data sheet. Is it there? Oh no, this is not. Let's go look for another data sheet. Let's go and look for maths data sheet volume of pyramid, volume of pyramid. So we want to take volume of a pyramid. There we go. The formula for volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times base times height, where the b is the base and the height. So Control C, copy. I am opening up code blocks, and let's give it a nice name like Loiso. Loiso, is that a nice name? Or pyramid, volume of pyramid. Right, volume of a pyramid. So let's go to the top and put the question out there as a comment. Right, so this was the morning's question, and we want to calculate. Right, so the formula for the volume of a pyramid is volume is equal to 1/3 multiplied by base times height, where b is the base of the base and h is the height. The volume of a pyramid is measured in units cubed because the area of the base is in units squared, and when multiplied by a height, it becomes cubed. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is you take out hello world. And what did we do this morning, Lucky? Lucky is not here, by the way. You write down input, what happens in the processing, and what happens in output. All right? Huh? Oh, don't be on the phone. Right. Okay? Okay, everybody? Right. Now, if you want to earn 2 marks or 3 marks and you don't know what's going on, just write down, see out the volume of the pyramid is. Okay? See out the volume of the pyramid is. This is where we got to keep a space for our variable. Okay? Let's say vol P, right? Volume P, right? But for right now we don't know what it is. So we're just going to put down oopsie, wrong one. Enter volume P, right? Right? Oopsie. Right, volume of this. Now the processing is given to us. Yes or no? It's given to us. The mathematical formula, yes or no? And what's the formula? What's the formula? Volume is equal to 1/3 multiplied by base times height. So the volume of the pyramid is equal to 1 divided by 3 multiplied by base multiplied by height. That is given to me, yes or no? Yes. Okay, I'm calling it vol pyramid, right? But now I'm using base and I'm using height, and I don't have the values for base and height. So I need to get it from the user. So I go to input and I say C in base. Now, I told you rule of thumb, if you're using B for base, I got to have a C out above it, right? Hello? Hello? Yes. So what I got to say here? C out. Please enter in the base, not the base, oh yeah, the base of the pyramid. But guess what? We use base, but did we declare it? No. So what do you got to do? We got to go and declare it. This is where we do all our declarations. Now, the base, can it be an integer, a float, or a double? The base of the pyramid. Hello? Base? Huh? Float. Okay, float. Float, base. But guess what? In the processing, we also have height. But do we have a value for height? No. So we got to ask the user for the height of the pyramid. So we have a C in. But what I told you, before a C in, we got to tell the user what to enter in. So we got to say C out. Please enter the height of the pyramid. Now we used a variable, but we did not declare it. So we got to go and declare it out here. Volume of pyramid takes on two floating values, base and height. I'm using that variable, but I forgot to declare it. So let me go and declare that. I use volume of pyramid, and somewhere down the line I went and put down, what did I write down? Vol P. So let me go and change this to, oh, I didn't enter that. Okay, not that. So now I'm going to say the volume of the pyramid is volume pyramid. Right. Let's see if we've answered the question. What have we done so far? We've taken the mathematical formula, volume of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 multiplied by base times height. This is how we write it in maths. But in between B and H, there's a hidden multiplication sign, right? We've got base times height. So let's take our calculators to get a, oops, I made a mistake. There. What's the error there? What's the error that I have? I'm supposed to have END? Oh, right, inline. Okay. Let's go and compile it again. Click on that little gear symbol. Yay! No errors. Are you happy? Are you happy? I'm happy too. So let's get some test data now, right? So if the base of the pyramid is 100 meters and the height of the pyramid is 200 meters, what do you expect our answer to be? 1 divided by 3. I'm using my iPhone calculator. Multiplied by the base of 300 meters. No. Let's make it. Okay, 300 meters. Multiplied by 200 is the height. So I should get a volume of 20,000 cubic meters. So let me run my program. Please enter in the base of the pyramid. The base of the pyramid, what did I say was? 100. Did I say 100? Okay, let's say 100. Okay, 100. And what's the height of the pyramid? 1 divided by 3 equals, multiplied by 100. Multiplied by, and what did we say my height was? Let's say 50. 50. So if I say multiplied by 50, according to my iPhone calculator, I get an answer of 1666,67. Let's see if this is correct. If it is correct, then I'm the winner. Oops, I'm not the winner. The volume of the pyramid is 0. I'm not the winner. Let me go and see what did I do. What did I do wrong? I want to be the winner. The volume of the pyramid is base times height. Let me run the program again. Build and run. Enter the base of the pyramid. The base of the pyramid is 100. The height of the pyramid is 300. The volume of the pyramid is 0. That's not right. Let's go and make this double volume pyramid, right? And I'm going to take that out. And I'm going to say this is equal to 0.0 base times height. Build and run. Please enter in the base of the pyramid. Oopsie, I'm missing a semicolon. Build and run. Class, help me. Yay, okay. For some odd reason, 1 divided by 3, it wasn't taking it. Now it's expecting me to have 0,3, right? Let's do that again. So let's put down, it took 1/3 is, let's put that in brackets. 1 divided by 3. Right? Let's build and run. I did this deliberately to show you that, I can make mistakes and I can correct them too. Right? See that? It doesn't work with 1 divided by 3, right? For some odd reason, the compiler is not taking it. Let us go and put down is equal to 1 divided by 3 is 0, 3. Let's go and build and run. Now, please enter in the base of the pyramid. The base of my pyramid is, what's the base of my pyramid? Let's say 300 multiplied by 0, 3 is equal to 90. Multiplied by the height of the pyramid is another 500 meters. Multiplied by 500 is equal to 45,000 square or cubic meters, right? Cubic meters, not squares. Cube, volume is cubes. And that is how it's done. All right, input, processing, and output. So let's make this, let's compress this a little so we can squeeze all into one. So this is how we're going to do all the math formulas, okay? It should have taken volume of pyramid as float. Let's go and put that on the top there. That wasn't the issue. Build and run. 100, let's go 300 and 600 meters. Right, that should be right. Let's take a screenshot. And let's post it. Copy, close. Oops. Right, okay, oh, we're going to be recording this, doesn't matter. I shall send it to you by recording. And that's how we calculate the volume of a pyramid. Okay, everybody? Okay. So if I had to change this formula, instead of saying volume is 1/3 times base times height, I go and do something else. You use the same method I showed you to go and, let's say volume of a prism is what is the volume of a prism? All right? Okay. Oh, let's stop the recording. Let's stop the recording. Oops. And stop the recording.